Fellow mathematicians, let's take a look at another example of a straightforward partial fraction decomposition question. This one, unlike some of our previous examples, we have to start by factoring the denominator, but that's simple since our denominator here is a difference of squares. So the first step, factoring the denominator, should be pretty straightforward. We can factor that as x plus 4 times x minus 4. And since we get two distinct linear factors, we get two partial fractions of the form a over x plus 4 plus b over x minus 4. All right, to solve for a and b, I always recommend to get rid of fractions completely from that identity or equation. And what I want you to focus on is this right side and this fully factored denominator on the left side. So if it's easier, let's just forget about the original way the function is written, and we're going to multiply this by the LCD, x plus 4 times x minus 4. All right, multiply that to everything, both sides of your equation. The left side is going to reduce to leave you with just 1. Multiply that LCD to the term involving a. The x plus 4 cancels, leaving you with x minus 4. And multiply that LCD to the term involving b. Now it's x minus 4 that cancels, leaving you with x plus 4. All right, the plugging in method is going to be very quick here since we have linear factors. The two values that we want for x, because we have two constants, a and b, we're going to go with 4 and negative 4. All right, plug that in everywhere, but notice there's no x on the left side. So the left side for the first equation will just be 1. And if we plug in x as 4, the a term drops out, leaving you with just the b term. So we'll get 4 plus 4, 8b. And it looks like we can solve that very quickly to determine that b has the value 1 over 8. All right, plugging in the next value, x is negative 4. Left side is going to still be 1. And now when x is negative 4, the b term drops out, since we get 0 times b. But now we're going to be left with negative 8a. And again, that solves very quickly to give us the value for a as negative 1 over 8. All right, all the hard work, the algebra is done. We rewrite our function in a form that is much easier to integrate. I'm going to pull these constants, instead of having them in the numerators, I'm going to pull those constants in front. So we have the value of a as negative 1/8. And that's now the value of a occurs in the partial fraction with x plus 4 in the denominator. All right, and we're going to again pull the value of b in front, so plus 1/8 times 1 over x minus 4. And from there, since we have linear factors, very easy to integrate. You get natural logs for your antiderivatives, just with factors of negative 1/8 and positive 1/8. So as our answer, looks like we get negative 1/8 natural log of x plus 4, and then plus 1/8 times natural log of x minus 4. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this example. Very straightforward, provided you know your basic factoring formulas. If you enjoyed the content, support the channel, make sure to like and subscribe.